Guys, there's a few days until like 24, and we have just enough to get us to 100 videos. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get us to 100 videos before our new anniversary. Hello, guys. It is Hallie Mister, and today we are going to show you how to make stop tickling me. A a tree made out of paper that you can hang your ornaments on. So this is like a little bedroom one you can have in your bedroom. So you're gonna need a skewer and some green paper. You can color it green, which would take like forever. Or you can just get some green paper. And you're also gonna need scissors. Green paper. You're also gonna need scissors, tape, and your best and cutest friend.
Or you can just get like orange or yellow kind of paper that could be like it's close to fall.
Yeah. All right, so yeah, let's get into I'll show you how to make it. So first thing you can paint this if you want. You can paint it green, you can paint it brown, but I'm just gonna keep it. And you're gonna then you're gonna cut little strips of your paper. So I'm gonna show you how that looks. It can be really fast, doesn't need to be perfect. It's a tree, so you can do it like that. And then you're going to you can roll it up. Or if you want, you could just make one long one and cut it up. Probably easier. And then you can just roll this up. If you want to make it longer, you always can. So I'm just going to, this is as big as I need to make it. Oh, you're also going to need some paper clips. I'm going to put that at the beginning of the video. Alright, so now I have this. I'm going to tape it shut. And just going to tape it all over. Okay, and I'll cut some strips
All the way.
That might be a little too big.
Do you want me to show it? It might not be helping you.
No, I just need it. So you're gonna make a couple of those. Something like this, which is good. So guys, now when you're done cutting and taping them, Evie, can you video this? So you're gonna take just a little bit of tape, put some over like this, and then you're gonna go to here. You can spin it any way you want, top or bottom. Just spin it around. There you go, and you can do as much of these as you want. So everybody, I'll take it back. So, yeah, here it is, and yeah, I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, so here it is all finished. Now you can put the ornaments on. So, I have some pre-made. Like this is just from some hot cocoa bombs. And you put them in, and so on the top of it. And I haven't had all of them, so these are the only ones I have. And then I'll show you what you're gonna do next. So now you can start loading up your ornaments. I made this one right here. I also made a little door, and I made a little wreath. So since the door is gonna tell us, I'm gonna put it right here. And you can load them all up with some paper clips. So now I have them all loaded up. And if you have the bottom one, you can like stick it into something so that you can stand it up. So yeah, it's an ornament hanger. And yeah. So now I can like stick it in some styrofoam. And yeah. Here it is. So I got a wreath, some extra branch, and then ornaments, and then I got this. So, yeah. See you folks later.